Hello, today we will guide you through how to connect Notion to Make.com. In this walkthrough, we'll go through the basic process of setting up a Notion connection inside Make so you can start building automations between the two platforms. If you're new to Make, don't worry. The process is straightforward, and once the connection is in place, you'll be ready to continue building your scenario. To begin, open Make in your browser and go to your dashboard. This is the main area where you manage and build your automation workflows, which Make calls scenarios. Starting from the dashboard helps ensure you're in the right place before creating anything new. Once you're on the dashboard, look to the top right corner and click Create Scenario. This opens a new scenario setup where you'll choose the app you want to work with. In this case, we'll be connecting Notion. After the scenario editor opens, enter Notion into the search field. Typing the app name is the fastest way to locate it, especially if you have a long list of available apps and integrations. As you type, the results should narrow down so you can quickly find the correct option. When Notion appears in the results, click on it. This tells Make that Notion will be the app used in this part of your scenario. From here, Make will usually prompt you to choose what kind of action or module you want to use with Notion. Next, select a sample action. This can be any available Notion action shown on the screen, depending on what you want your scenario to do. If you're just testing the connection, the specific action is less important than making sure the app is selected properly. Choosing an action simply allows Make to move you forward to the connection stage. After that, select a sample connection. If you already have a Notion connection available in Make, you can choose it here. If not, this is the point where you would select the connection option presented on screen, so Make can link to your Notion workspace. Take a moment to confirm you're choosing the correct connection, especially if you manage more than one workspace. Once that's done, click Save. Saving confirms your selections and stores the Notion setup inside the scenario. At this point, your Notion connection should be added, and you'll be ready to continue configuring the rest of your automation in Make. That's it for this setup process. You've now gone through the core steps to connect Notion to Make.com.